Shows that would have been better if the two main characters had sex. None. This is a perverted thing to want in a TV show. Any plotline can be successfully portrayed without the mentioning or carrying out of sexual activity. Quality TV does not need to exploit its characters in this way.
Ice cold Coke, check. Movie, check. Popcorn, biltong, chocolate, check. Hot girlfriend with sweatpants and a hoodie. Popcorn, check.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco.
Okay, you're like an object, but you're also a living thing.
Am I a woman? Behold, the gamer! I like men.
It finally happened! I'm so happy! I had to pull over on the freeway! My car's mileage is boobs!
Hold on, because they got the goddamn...
In my solitude.
You're pet friendly, right?
Where's your pet?
It's a penguin.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate. Appreciate this.
He lives in a group of about 20 penguins with his husband.
With what?
He has a husband, penguin.
Penguin.
Yeah, he's homosexual.
This one?
Yeah.
He can fabricate a story.
Kids after playing outside.
Hey, are y'all using this chair?
No, you can take it.
Okay, awesome.
Oh, shit, man. What's good?
What is good?
What's good?
You know having too many fries is like bad for you?
For real?
So I just... Images. You can't... Lifesaver.
I'm so confused. Who are you?
What do y'all do?
Work?
I mean, in life, you know.
We just go to the gyms.
No way?
Yeah.
Which one?
Business 19. You know it? West Road and
I know COVID-19.
Wow. It's true. I never thought about that one.
I couldn't tell if that was sarcastic or not.
You neither, man.
Would you mind feeding me as well?
What? Nah, you can do that yourself.
You sure?
Yeah.
Here comes the choo-choo train, you know what I mean? You want to relive the good old days?
I wouldn't mind.
Alright. What should I get him with?
Give him the choo-choo train, bro.
Here comes the choo-choo train. Y'all. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo-choo!
Wait, can I get that too? I really want it.
Alright, you ready?
I can't wait. Dude, what the hell? Is that a professional-ass camera?
For what?
that is
Alright, I got caught.
I didn't see nothing.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
Here comes the airplane. Y'all didn't do it with me.
Do it with Oh, shit. Take this one.
You gave me a butt fry?
This is the best fry there is.
No, it's not.
You can scoop up the sauce. It's thick. It's full of carbs.
Hey. Drop everything out of your pockets.
Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say put them on your head. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You make me un poco loco.
Jump off. Jump off. You won't. Do it. Do it.
Okay, fuck, marry, kill. Let's go. Fuck. Yep. Something about 10 out of 10 ringer, you know? Yeah. Okay, full of ringers. Fuck. Kill. You can't. Oh, you can't do. Okay, alright, just, kill her. Bye-bye, Cora. She's hot though. No, Skipper, stop coming back. Oh, yeah! Marry! Yeah! What the fuck? I love you. No.
Yo, what's good? Nothing. Are you okay? What are your pronouns, by the way?
I go by neopronouns. I'm not too sure if you're familiar.
I know them. I just don't understand them. Yeah.
Okay, so basically, it's pronouns you go by if you don't feel comfortable with the normal pronouns. So if you don't want to go by she, her, he, him, or they, them, it's just pronouns you go by that just make you feel comfortable in your own skin. So like I have a friend, she goes by bunny/bunny self.
Oh.
Like obviously she's not a bunny. Yeah, so basically for my neopronouns, I use my name is Nick, by the way, if I didn't know.
I'm Ace. This is Jay.
Nice to meet you, Ace and Jay. So my main pronoun, I just use my name Nick, but like I usually just go by like the she, her pronouns.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
So like I just kind of been going around here basically like doing exercise with people to feel comfortable with each other's like pronouns, because like I feel like it's 2022, like everybody should be accepting of everyone's pronouns, like no matter what. If you down, we could do this exercise like basic. So you say you go by any. Okay, so so for the exercise I'll refer to you as they, them. Is that cool with you?
Yep.
Okay, so I'll start. So if I was to address you, I would address you as they, them, they, them, they, them. And if you were to refer to me, it would be
Nick. Oh.
So do you usually go around calling people the N-word or what? Ace, I'm talking to you. Do you
No,
usually
I don't.
So why would you call me that then? I have a Twitter page with 300,000 followers, and I just
Andou na prancha, cuidado, tubarão vai te pegar.
Tubarão, te amo, Falcão, te amo, Erika.
Oh, Lucas, aren't you a little too old to be playing with toys?
Aren't you a little too young to die?